Yeah. Meera bought 3 razors for rupees 30, then 2 pens for rupees 10, 4 pencils for rupees 20. Now we have to find the total. Total means we have to add the given numbers, right? Bhavashwat, please unmute yourself and tell me 0 plus 0 plus 0, how much?
0.
Yes, very good. Yes, children, 0 plus 0 plus 0 will be 0. Good. And now 3 plus 1?
3 plus 1, 4.
4 plus 2?
4 plus 2, 6.
Very good. So what is the answer? How many rupees?
60.
Yeah, so answer is 60 rupees. That's correct. Okay, fine. Done. Okay, children, now you will leave one more line and then you will write the next bit. That is bit B. Yes, Tarini?
Miss,
Yeah.
should we write in notebook or
Yeah,
in
you have to write this in notebook.
Miss, I just joined now.
You have to write this in your notebook, Tarini.
Okay, Miss, but I just joined now.
Okay, not the issue. You can start writing. Okay. Okay, yes, children. So we'll write next bit. I'm not clearing this, Tarini. You can write it. Ria bought 1 cake. Okay, instead of that, write 1 cupcake. 1 cupcake, 2 candies, and 2 chocolates. Okay. Now in the next line, you will write a 1 cupcake, I repeat, you have to write 1 equal to symbol below other equal to symbol, okay? Two candies, chocolates, and then you will be writing your total. Okay. And then rupee symbol here. Okay, fine. So let us say she bought 1 cupcake for 40 rupees, then 2 candies for 10 rupees, and 2 chocolates for 30 rupees. Okay, and now we have to find its total. What will be the total amount? Yes, children, I'll give you 1 minute. Please note down this question quickly and please write correct spellings. Okay, done now. We'll be adding them now. Dhruti,
Yes, ma'am.
0 plus 0
0 plus 0, 0.
and again 0 plus 0.
Again 0 plus 0, 0.
Yes. So in ones place we have 0 here. So 0 plus 0, 0 and then 0 plus 0 is again 0. Good. Now Dhruti, 4 plus 1.
4 plus 1,
Take out 4 finger and then 1 finger. Count all of them together and then tell me.
2, 3.
Yeah, 4 plus 1 is
4.
4 plus 1. Dhruti, take out 4 finger and then take out 1 more finger. 4 plus 1, how much?
8.
Dhruti, show me your 4 fingers. And take out 1 more finger. I said 4 plus 1. Take out 1 more finger. Now how many fingers are there?
5.
Yeah, so 4 plus 1 is 5. Now tell me 5 plus 3.
5 plus 3,
Take out 5 finger and 3 more fingers. Show me. Now count all of them together.
8, ma'am.
Yes, so 4 plus 1 is 5 and 5 plus 3 is 8. So what is the answer, Dhruti?
80.
Yes, so answer is 80 rupees, children. Okay, answer is 80 rupees. Fine. Now we'll move to next bit. We'll do next question now. I'll clear this now and please take out new page. Yes, Sai Joshit.
I'm writing.
What are you writing?
I'm in B-bit, ma'am.
What are you writing in B-bit?
B-bit, I'm writing.
You are writing what? 1 cupcake, 2 candies. What are you writing?
1 cupcake, 2 candles, 2 chocolates.
Sai Joshit, daily you are writing slowly. Please increase your writing speed. I'll give you only 30 seconds. Okay, done now. Yes, children, take out new page. We'll move ahead now. Yes, Sai Joshit.
Ma'am, this is Sajish's father. What's the problem, ma'am?
12. That's correct. So what we'll do here, Arohi, we'll write here 2 or we'll write here 12 in ones place. Hmm?
2.
Yes, that's correct. Yes, children, we'll be writing here 2 in ones place and 1 will go as carryover in tens place. Okay, fine. That's correct. Okay, now Arohi, tell me 2 plus 2,
4.
4 plus 1
5.
and 5 plus 1.
6.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, so children, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Then again we have to add this 1 which is there as carryover. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 5, and 5 plus 1 is 6. So what is the answer, Arohi? How many rupees, Arohi? Arohi, am I audible to you? I think there is some network issue. Okay, fine, children. So answer is 6262.
What, ma'am?
Yeah, Arohi, I was asking what is the answer? So answer is 6262 rupees. Yes, children, please write this. Okay, fine. So we'll write next word problem now. You will leave one line and then you'll start writing the next word problem. Okay. Mohan bought 2 pens, 1 pencil, and 3 chart papers. Two pens, one pencil, three chart papers, and then in the next line we'll write here total. This means we have to add the cost, whatever is the cost of these 3 items, we have to add them. So first of all, we'll be making a rupee symbol. Fine. Now we'll be writing the cost of these items. Let us say 2 pens for 10 rupees, 1 pencil for 5 rupees, and 3 chart papers for 15 rupees. Okay. Now we have to add them together. Okay, children, I'll give you 1 minute. Please note them. Note down this question. Fine, I think I gave sufficient time, so we'll start the addition now.
3.
Yes, I Joshit.
I have done with answer.
Okay, fine, that's good. Ananya?
Yes. Ananya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ananya, now we have to add the numbers in ones place first. Now tell me 0 plus 5?
0 plus 5. Madam is asking.
0 plus 5. 5.
Very good. And 5 plus 5?
10.
Very good. So we'll be writing here 10 or 0 in ones place.
10.
Hmm?
We cannot write 10 in ones place. We will write only 0 in ones place and 1 will go as?
Ones.
Tens place.
Tens place.
Yeah, 1 will go as carryover in tens place. So we will write only 0 here and we will write that 1 as carryover in tens place. Okay, fine.
2.
Now, yeah, 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 1?
3.
Yes, 1 plus 1 is 2 and we have to add this 1 which is there as carryover also children. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So what is the answer, Ananya?
Write 3. What is the answer say, teacher?
30.
30 rupees. What is the answer?
30
Rupees.
rupees.
Very good. That's the correct answer. Children, don't forget to add the number which you are writing as carryover in tens place. Okay. So answer is 30 rupees. Okay, fine. Is there anyone who is still writing? Or shall I clear this? Anyone? No one? Okay, fine. So I'll clear this now. Okay, so we'll write one more bit now, last bit. Ram bought 2 candies and 3 juice cans. Two candies and then 3 juice cans. And in the next line, we'll be writing here total. Yes, Ananya?
Not appear, ma'am.
What?
Not appear.
Not?
Not appear.
Not appear.
Cannot.
So you are unable